Hey guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I have an amazing video for you. It is my laundry room organization video. I do step by step through the whole process. I decorate, I clean, the whole thing. And I am super excited to share it with you guys. This has been something that has been on my to-do list forever. And thanks to Christine from the DIY Mommy, she is hosting a collaboration called the Organizational Challenge 2019. And so I definitely decided I wanted to take part in it and get this project done. So if you enjoy organization videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because I have many more coming. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to the video. As you can see, this laundry closet was out of control. Since it's on the first level, when company comes over, I tend to just throw stuff in here. So to start this project, I completely emptied out the closet, putting things either away if it belongs somewhere else or making piles of like items that can go back into the closet. This was the inside of my cupboards. The cupboards weren't a huge mess, but not very functional, and there was a lot of wasted space. Once everything is out and I've assessed what I actually wanted to store in the closet, I made a list of what would go in the laundry closet. For example, grocery bags, extra cleaning supplies. And then what items I would either need to buy or use for my house in order to organize it, like a basket or a bin. The next thing I did was clean before I start putting things back into the closet. Due to all the dust and lint, I vacuumed the counter, then I wiped it down with my Method cleaner. I also sprayed and wiped down inside the cupboards. I also decided to decorate in this laundry closet. I wanted to have more of a roomy feel and a closet feel, and I feel like the decorations really did that. also added a little bit of greenery for that homey feel, a glass container to keep the dryer balls, a heavy-duty tissue box holder to keep the grocery bags in, and of course I needed a garbage bag for the lint and other pieces of trash. And here is the after of the cupboards. So on this bottom shelf, I just have the laundry supplies. On the top shelf is all the extra cleaning supplies, or the items that are just large to refill. And on this side, I used the bottom shelf for all of the puppy stuff, and I have on the top shelf the garbage bags, and then I use this basket, which I already owned, and it just stores the dust rags and my mopping rag. And I also store a little stool that I got from Five Below over here next to the washer.